All right. Stretch a block on STMath drives me insane. So this is for you. This is a level 2 problem. So if you're beyond that, hold on. Later in the video, we'll have that. First, count how many orange blocks there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count how many blue spaces in the bottom it has to fill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 blocks has to shrink to 6. So there's a lot of ways to think of that. I think that every 2 orange blocks fills 1 blue block. So this end, of course, goes on the end. Those ones people figured out. But then these 2 blocks on the right are going to fill this 1 block on the right. So this becomes that. So those 2 blocks go in here. These 2 blocks go here. These 2 blocks go here. So you can see we're halfway done. And then 2 go in this one, 2 go in that one, and these first 2 blocks will go in that first one. So it's about finding the ratio of 2 to 1 on that, and then figuring out where the strings go. Middle goes to middle. Come on, middle goes to middle. And again, this is 12 and 6. I've noticed they do this a lot. They do several of the same ratio. So now these 2 blocks become this 1 block. So you're going to bring that rubber band down to this side of the block, right? So now this 1 side, I think I can focus thing, right? So this 1 block came from these 2 blocks. So this is the left side of those 2. This is the right side of those 2. So that should work for that one. 2 to 1. All right. Now this is going to go the other way. Now we're going to go from 6 to 12 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orange blocks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 spaces in the bottom. Again, end to end. And now every 1 block, this 1 block is going to fill 2 spaces. So this is going to be the left side of the 2 spaces, and this one is the right side of the 2 spaces. So now we're going from 1 to 2. It's doubling because it went from 6 to 12. All right. I don't know if this gets much more difficult. Again, end to end. This is 6 to 12. 2 blocks is now going to take up 4 blocks. So it's going to take up 1, 2, 3, 4. So this rubber band goes here. So it's on the left side of 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. And that's because 2 times 2, each one takes up 2 spots. All right. I am going to pause this. I'm going to go to a harder problem. Hopefully you could figure out this was 3 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 become 4. So 3 blocks are going to shrink into 1. So 3 of those blocks are going to shrink into 1. All right, you can do the rest. I'm going to pause.